collaborate, and everything. All right. So I'll just repeat it again. We'll be going up with a very important topic, that is the Git and GitHub today. And in this topic, you will be means getting all the information about means what is this and why particularly we are using it. And without this particular skill, you will not be able to collaborate onto the project. And also, if you are not collaborating also, in that case, means on the reviews over here I'm talking, on the reviews, if the means reviewer will be checking over that only in the beginning, like are you going up with the VCS, are you going up with the GitHub repository or not, updating it or not. Okay, because it's the key point from where you can validate, and you can also claim that yeah, this particular project, on this particular project, this particular feature you have only developed. Okay, so if you're saying it with your own, that will not be a validation over here. If it is visible over in the GitHub, if the person who will be checking over here onto your repositories, if they get to know like yeah, this particular person has done this feature and it is completely right, then only you will be getting out the outcomes from the company. Getting it? So this is a very important skill. And also, other than that, you are required to use this particular skill if you are on the tech. On the tech means if you are in software development using Java, software development using React, MERN stack, that's the web development domain. Other than that, if you are in Python, as well as data analytics, data science, machine learning, these all, whatever the tech domains that are there, you need to collaborate as well as save your work over in the GitHub regularly from the day one, from the day when you will be starting your project. Okay, that is required. Other than that, that will also be helping you to showcase it to the interviewer whenever you are going up with that. Okay, because whenever you are saying like yeah, I have developed a complete e-commerce platform, on that complete e-commerce platform my prime contribution was on the support part, means the I have developed the support dashboard on which the customers can get the support automated replies as well as connect with the live customer service. That all things I have done. If you're claiming that, that will be validated through the GitHub. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example of over on it. So that's why it is very important. Okay, so before beginning, I would like to
ఇది
take that. Yes, please tell me.
గ్రీన్ కలర్ మూత వచ్చినది.
All right, please don't turn your mic on if you're not having any doubt. It will just kill the time of us as well as yours and who are over here to learn something. All right, so please mind your mic. Okay, if you're outside of your area, if you're not interested, that is completely fine. That is completely your ownership. If you're not, if you don't want to study, but let others need to understand. Okay, so please understand this thing. All right. So before going up with the topic, I'd like to take the attendance, and for that, you need to be on your camera so that the admin can validate and take the attendance once. Okay. So this is 38. So you can just, whoever is present, they can just turn on their camera so that the admin can take up the attendance over from there. Okay. All right, got it. You can turn off your camera and we'll be continuing with the chapter. Okay. All right, got it. So basically, before going up with the topic, there will be multiple people over here who do have understood or who do have experience of using the VCS, and who have used VCS, that's the Git or GitHub. So I mean, if I'm explaining, I will be explaining from the basics so that everyone can understand and everyone can go through it, because this is a very important and you need to do it. That is mandatory. So that's why I'll be ensuring that each and everything will be explained properly. So in that case, if you are already means know each and everything, it's fine. Okay, means you can skip this part. And other than that, whoever is not knowing, they need to be here and you need to understand it, so that after this particular session, these all the GitHub and these all things will not be happening. And you can ask as plenty of doubts as you can on your with your trainer on this particular part, like if you face any difficulty on collaborating or contributing over in GitHub. Okay, so that's all. So basically, before going up with the topic, I'll just ask certain questions with the person who is who do know, or also you might have means gone through certain topics before this particular session is happening. So I'll just check it out, like what is your knowledge level. So in that case, can anyone explain like what do you understand by Git and GitHub? Is there any difference between that, or both are same?
Both are different,
All right.
and the difference is like GitHub is a platform and it is a version control tool.
Okay.
Which GitHub you can have in Jenkins and you can do pipelines,
Okay.
CI/CD built-ins.
Okay.
Git is like a version control,
Okay.
and GitHub we can post their link and we can use that link directly
Yeah.
in some other projects.
All right. All right. Fine. Got it. So what your point? So basically, I'll just explain you this thing. Git is, as you said, it's completely correct. Git is a version control system. That is a distributed version control system. Okay, and that you need to install in your computer, in your system, in your Windows system, or it is a Mac, any system, any OS, whatever you are operating on. It supports all the OS, either it is Ubuntu or Mac or Windows, each and every OS. Okay, so Git is basically a distributed version control system that will help the developers to track the changes in their source code during the software development. Got it. So basically, under the software development, there are multiple things that are there. As I've already told you, it is not only for the software development Java and Mon. It is also for the data analytics, also for the data science and machine learning, also for the other Python domain also. Okay, so it can be used widely. Okay, and this is a very basic thing that you will be getting it and you will be finding it over anywhere on any of the industry, tech industry, if you are joining. Okay, so a certain key features why basically this GitHub is there, Git is particularly there, is like whenever you are installing a Git in your system, and when you are enabling a repository with your GitHub, means with your code or any code base, it will track each and every code changes with the timestamp, with the means with the comment, each and everything. Okay, and it also supports you for branching and merging. Branching and merging means whenever you are developing an application and that is going up to a production level, in that case you will be having multiple branches. So initially you will be having two branches, that will be, one will be on the live branch, that you can make it live over on any server if you're having. Okay, and the second one will be the development branch. Okay, in that development branch, whatever the development on that application will be happening over there. Okay, so that will be the branching and merging, that that is also there, that means so that this particular git do supports on it. And one more thing, this particular git do works offline because you are installing it and downloading it onto the system. Okay, it do tracks each and everything while you are offline also. Okay, and after you are going on online, and if you are pushing out the code to the GitHub repository, in that case it will just retrieve that all timestamps and it will be giving out to the GitHub repositories. Okay, so that's all, it works offline also. Okay, mind it, these all things will be asked and can be asked by the interviewer whenever you are going up with a basic a level or a fresher level interviews. Okay, these are the very basic thing that they will be definitely they will be asking whenever they are going up with VCS or any collaboration tools. Okay, and it also maintains a complete history of each and every version of that particular code wherever you have enabled it. Okay, and it also enables the collaboration. Means right now you will be in a team of 3 to 4 people or 5 people according to the project requirement. Okay, in that case you all five will be associated with a single repository. Okay, and you all five will be contributing onto that repository on your part. Let's say like how you will be doing. So means let's say you are in a team of 4 people. Okay, in that case you can only decide who will be the team leader. Okay, that is the important thing and that is also needed. Okay, so let's say person A is the team leader, and that particular person A will be initializing a repository over in GitHub. Okay, and after that he will be the only person who will be adding each and every persons who is there in his team. Okay, and after adding them over onto the GitHub repository, he will be means you all will be in a meet and you will be deciding who will be doing which part of that project. If let's say I'm just giving you an example of e-commerce. Okay, so in that case let's say the whole login system, the RBAC, as well as the users login and the users authentication as well as login system will be done by person A. And after that, the first page, the promo page and the hero page, which will be displayed on the first means while a person is logged in, that will be developed by person B. Okay, and person like away the person C and person D will be having certain rule sets. Okay, so that they will be developing. Okay, in that case uh, whoever is allocated on that particular means the responsibility, who will be taking that particular responsibility, they need to work on their responsibility part only. Okay, so the team admin, the team lead who will be there, whom you will be appointing as a team leader, he will also be working. Other than that, he will be also collating all the things and keeping it on live. Okay, live means let's say means person A is giving out certain codes. Okay, and person B is giving out certain codes. He is pushing up on to the GitHub. Okay, in that case, you will be merging it. So there is a trick that I will be telling you, like whenever you are initiating a repository as a team lead. Okay, so after initiating, you create that particular folder structure. Okay, so basically folder structure means you will be going up, means let's say you will be going up with a React project. Okay, you will be initializing a React project, and on that particular project you will be giving out the folders like the components, the assets, the other things, and the routes, each and everything. Okay, and whoever is working on any of the part, you can make their means folders over there like components. If someone is working on the UI of the login system and login authentication system, so you can just give a means folder over there as login.jsx, and you can just give a proper route of it over in the router. Okay, so that thing you will be doing. If you are doing like that, and that particular person whom you are working with, they will be collaborating on that folder only. And if you are practicing like this, then you will be having a very less merge conflict happening on the GitHub. Okay, so please use this these all things so that you will be having less merge conflict. If a merge conflict do happen, that is not a big deal also. So whatever the merge conflict do happens, if you can solve it, that is fine. If you can't, then you will also be having a chance of roll back to the previous version. Okay, if you are rolling back to the previous version, your means new codes and everything will not be there on the GitHub repository. Again, you need to write it. Okay, that you need to keep it in your mind. Okay, so these all things are there that you need to keep it in your mind while going off with the GitHub. Okay, and other than that, what is particularly that GitHub? So Git, you all have understood, like this is a thing that you'll be installing in your system, and this is the version control system, and this can work offline, and this will be tracking all of your changes over in the code, and each and everything that is there as a feature of GitHub, that will be done by the Git only. Okay, so now going up with the GitHub. So GitHub is basically a web based hosting service for the Git repository, and it will be used as it will add a web based graphical interface collaboration feature like the pull request, the issues, the wiki, the actions. Under that action, the most popular thing that people do use in prod is the CI/CD, continuous integration, and continuous deployment, and project boards will be there. Okay, so these all things are there on the GitHub. Okay, so at the end, in short, Git is a tool, GitHub is a platform. That's all. Okay, you just need to understand this thing. Okay, I hope so. You all have, don't have any doubt, or if you are having any doubt, you can directly ask by turning on your mic.
Also,
Yes, please. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
sir, what is merge conflict?
All right. So merge conflict is basically a situation in which person A and person B, both of the person have collaborated or given the code and updated the code of a single folder. Getting it? Then there will be a conflict, like GitHub will be asking you, like, whose contribution should be finalized, person A or person B. Getting it? This is particularly a situation when you are also contributing onto the same folder, same file, and your friend is also contributing onto the same file. Okay, in that case, GitHub will be asking you, like, yeah, person A has contributed this thing and person B has contributed this thing. Okay, which one is correct and which one I should go as a means I should merge it onto the primary or the main folder. Getting it? So that's the merge conflict. So for reducing it, you can divide your work, and by dividing your work, the admin, the team lead can also initialize that all folders on which everyone will be working, and the roots will be activated over there, so that less merge conflict will be happen. Okay, getting it? So I've just explained you, like this is very easy. Okay, while you are means going through this particular problem, in that case only you will be getting the practical thing, like, yeah, exactly what is this thing. Okay, after that you will be understanding. Okay, any other doubt?
Sir, will you show the like live demo how Git and GitHub works? Like,
And now only after installation.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, what?
Yes, sir. Like, I don't know how it is working. Like I am using this GitHub, but not Git platform. Like as a team. So I'm not.
All right, fine. I'll just explain you that thing. Okay. So before going up with the practical part, you just need to ensure that your system is activated with the Git. So I'll just give you two links over in the chat. Okay. And in that link, you will be getting out your GitHub Git that you need to download. Okay. And after downloading it, just install it. If you face any difficulty while installation, you can directly ask over here. And after installation of the Git, you need to go up onto the github.com. Okay, in that github.com, you need to create an account over there in the GitHub and keep it with you. Okay, so these two things that you need to do in means by 9. Okay, so that we can go up with the practical part. So if you are there with your system, you can just download this particular thing and install it. I'll just hold it for 10 minutes. Okay, I'll just give you the time for 10 minutes. If any doubt is there, you can directly ask over here. Okay, so I've just given you two links. Go on to the first link and download the GitHub. And after that, after downloading, install it. And after that, go on to the second link and create an account. Just these two things that you need to do. If you have already done, that is completely fine. You are not required to do it again. Okay, if you have not done that, you need to do and set up this thing. Okay. Whoever has done, you need to raise your hand up so that we can I should know like whoever is done. Okay.
Good evening, sir. I just wanted to ask. I have downloaded the GitHub, and I wanted to share my screen that it is okay or not. Shall I?
Correct. Yeah, please.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. Can you tell me, is it okay?
Actually, what is this?
GitHub. GitHub. I have downloaded and uh, redirect to a new directory.
No, no,
And
no. Just go on to github.com only.
okay.
Yeah, this is
Yes.
your account. Okay, now you need to download the Git in your system. Have you downloaded the Git in your system?
No, sir. This is the dashboard. I have. I
No, no, no. You
don't
need
have.
to download the Git. What I am asking that you need to do.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Just go on to that first link that I have shared.
Okay.
Do
Okay,
it.
sir.
I'm just dictating you. Do it. You are not required
Okay.
to stop sharing. Yeah, you can do it. I can help you out.
Okay.
And others can also see like what exactly you need to do. Go on to Windows.
Where, sir?
Windows, there is written Windows under the downloads.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Download the X64 setup.
This one?
Yeah. It will take some time and it will be downloading very soon. Okay. It's a very
Okay, sir.
small thing.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Press on to that download button.
Hello.
Yeah. Hold for a second. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I have already downloaded GitHub and all.
If you have downloaded, I've already told you, you can skip this part. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Now you can click on to that.
Yes, sir.
will you
Just see
please
everyone.
send me the link once again?
1 second. First of all, you need to see over here how it is going on. After that, you can ask whatever they think. Okay. Yeah. Just click onto that Git that you have downloaded. The
Yes.
screen is freezed. Yeah.
Is this visible, sir?
Yeah. Go on to next, next,
Excuse me, sir.
and click on each and every buttons that is there. Okay.
Okay,
Additional
sir.
buttons, each and everything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next,
Okay.
next, 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 next. Whatever that is recommended, that is only the thing that you need to use. Next.
Next. Okay.
Okay. Next. Yeah. Next, next.
Install. Install there is.
Install it.
Yes. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
It's
Sir, is it a
processing,
Git
sir.
bash?
Yes, what?
Is it a Git bash?
It's the Git that is being downloaded. It includes the bash also.
Yeah, it includes the Git bash also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So there's a checkbox appears like launch git bash and view release notes. We have to check both.
Yeah, fine. It is completely downloaded. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
you all have seen like it is downloaded and also installed successfully. So now you need to go up, just minimize this screen and go up onto your home screen. Go onto the
Sir,
home screen. Yeah, yeah, just close this.
close. Okay.
Go onto the home screen, minimize it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now create a folder. Name it anything. Great. So just
Yes,
right click onto that folder.
yes, sir. Yes, right click. I have done, sir.
All right. So now go on to show more options. Show more options. Here you can see Git bash is coming. Okay. No, do not click onto that. You have your VS Code or any of the ID over here in your system.
Yes, sir.
VS Code or anything. Is it there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir, not recently.
Yeah. So you any no any ID is there.
No, 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 sir.
All right. So which domain you are from, means?
Uh, mailing my by my mail. I have written my mail on this that way.
No, no. I'm asking which domain you have opted for.
Sorry, sir, I
Data
don't.
science or data analytics or
Yeah, which domain?
I'm not getting your point, sir.
Means what is your domain for the internship? That I'm asking.
Is that Python development or data analytics?
You don't know which domain you are from?
Sorry, sir.
Your internship domain. It's like
Sir
kind
is
of a
asking that which domain are you in, that data analyst or in data science?
Is it data
or Python
analytics, data
development.
Data
science?
analytics, sir. Data analytics. Sorry.
That is called the
Sir,
domain. Why you are lagging?
yes, sir, I didn't recognize it. What you are saying that data analyst.
Okay, so
Oh,
data analytics, you can just go up with the VS Code. Okay, so
okay,
set up your VS Code as soon as possible. Okay,
okay,
install it. That
okay,
will take a very less time. You can install it over here only.
okay,
Okay, after
okay,
installing it, open that particular folder so that I can also, means you will also be learning and I can also dictate each and every one so that
okay.
everyone can also understand. Okay,
Okay.
can you do it? Other than that, I'll be showing it.
How can I do that, sir?
You need to install the VS Code in your system.
Uh, how you can tell? You can guide
just
me
like
for
you
that.
install the Git for Windows. Just
You can
go to Google and Chrome like VS Code for Windows and just download that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I already installed VS Code in my laptop. Can I share my
Yeah,
screen?
please share.
Yeah,
You
thank you.
have Git installed in your system?
Yeah, yes, sir. I installed.
All right, please share.
Yes, sir.
I want you to do so that you will be understanding the things very properly. Okay, if I am doing over here in my speed, then you will be getting bored of. So that's why. If it is
Sir,
taking time, take the time, understand it properly. Okay, your screen is completely black. It is not visible.
wait, sorry, sir.
Yeah, now it's visible.
One
So
minute.
go on to create a folder and open it on VS Code.
So give me a second, 1 second. So now it visible, sir? Hello?
Yes, it is
Yes, yes.
visible.
Yes, it is
Yeah,
visible.
yeah.
Yes, it's visible.
Sir, here is VS Code.
Yeah, just create a folder as like GitHub or demo or anything, and
Okay.
yeah, give it in full screen. Leave it. Just open your yeah. Here, you need to initialize a proper GitHub in your system. Okay, so in that case, see, whenever you are going up with a new system, in that case, you will be asked to log in with your system. Okay, when you are in initializing any Git repository. Okay, so in that case, you need to log in it with the code. Okay, that will be the easiest way. Other than that, the token is also there, and two more options will also be visible over there. So, okay, so now is this system is already means initialized and means they logged in with the GitHub.
Sir, actually, I use the GitHub desktop version.
All right. So, no, fine. You need to learn the terminal part because in production, that desktop or GUI we don't use.
Okay,
Okay. You need to learn the means terminal part. I will be dictating you. Don't worry. Do
okay,
not do anything. Means after I say, just after that you can do. Okay. So
okay,
just open your GitHub account once.
okay.
Minimize it. Open your GitHub account.
Sure, screen is not
Not
visible.
GitHub desktop. Not GitHub desktop. You need to open your GitHub account in Chrome.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, just close that.
Which one, sir? This one,
Yeah. All right. Just go on to your repositories. Just click onto your profile photo.
sir?
Click onto your repository.
Yes, sir.
Click onto that new. Whenever you are clicking onto that new button, you will be initializing a new repository. Okay. Here,
Okay,
just write a name, any name, whatever you are written over there in the folder. Okay. Yeah.
okay,
Fine. So yeah, basically now I want to explain you that public and private. So basically, when you are developing any application over here, it will be private only. Okay, do not make it public. And when you are submitting it, then in that case, you need to give the public link over onto that portal, whatever will be supplied to you from the company. Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Why you have? Yeah, Deepak, I haven't asked you to share your screen. Can you please unshare it? Yeah, fine. Just go up onto the yeah here. Just click onto private.
Sure, yes, sir.
Yeah, scroll down and create repository. That's all. Fine. Now go on to your VS Code. So now we'll be learning like how you will be connecting as well as mean sending your codes and pull each and everything over from your local computer to the GitHub.
Okay,
Okay. Just see it carefully. It is very easy.
okay,
And the meeting is also being recorded. Don't worry, you will be getting the recording also for seeing it more time. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So under that Java Z, just create one more one application like yeah, just create a file
Yes, sir.
hero.html. Just
Sir?
write hero. hero.html, anything.
Okay.
That HTML spelling is wrong.
Sorry, sir. Actually.
Don't be fast. You can be slow. Okay, don't worry.
Yes.
From there, it will not be. You can just delete it and do it again.
Right click on this HTML.
Yeah. Delete that folder that is there at here.html. Yeah, fine. Go on to that. Yeah, here just type the exclamation mark, shift and one exclamation mark. Yeah,
Yes.
enter. Press enter. So this is the basic code. Means for example, like this is the thing that you want to upload it on the GitHub. Okay, now just click on to that Git icon over there in the that third icon in the left side.
Yes. Sir.
Yeah, just click on it, and after that open a terminal from down. Okay, from
Sorry.
down, open the terminal, not that terminal. You need to open the terminal of the VS Code.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, sir.
Your terminal will be opened from the down. You can just scroll it up from the down. The terminal will be opening. Not that.
No,
There
it's
is
from
we
the
can see
Run
above like
button side, three
after
dots.
run button. No, it is there. No, three dots
Yeah.
above.
There is
above,
run
top.
button, and you
No,
can see
they are not.
Not there. Not there. Left side. Top left
Left
side.
side there is a
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
There is
Terminal.
terminal.
New terminal.
Fine.
just click
Thank you.
on to new terminal. Click on to new terminal. Yeah, fine. So now what exactly you need to do, whatever the thing that is written while you are creating the repository over there in the GitHub, that you only need to do. So go on to your repository once. Go on to Google Chrome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Scroll down. That is written git init. Okay. Write it over there. Git init.
Okay, sir.
Git init. That steps is written. No. Git init. Git add. Readme. Why are you scrolling up and down? That is written. Yeah. Yeah. That is. Go up from the git init. Git init. Am I audible?
Git init. Second line.
Second line.
Second line. From second line you have.
I want right here.
You
Yes.
need you need
Yeah,
to copy that
copy.
thing and
Copy.
paste it over in the terminal that you have opened. Not full. Only git init.
Okay. Okay, sir. Done.
Yeah. Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Got there. Paste it. Enter. See, now that particular git is being initialized in your repository. In this case, your whatever you have, whatever you are having on your folder, that is ready to be on the staged area. For going on to the staged area, you need to write one more command, that is git git
Yes, sir.
space add dot space dot
That's it. Enter, sir.
enter. So it will be now going under the staged area. Staged area means your contribution is already means finalized to be going on to the remote location, that is the GitHub repository. So now you can just go on to your GitHub repository once. Yeah. So leave that git add readme.md. After that, copy that git commit first commit. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Paste it over there. This particular command is what, like inside that first commit, this as basically this is the first commit, so that's why you are writing this. So in this case, you whenever you are committing any changes over onto the GitHub, you will be writing what are the things that are requirements that you have done onto that contribution. Got it? So that will
Yes.
be a very short, very crisp description over here as a comment that will be going. Okay. So now just press enter.
Yes, sir.
Fine. That is already being sent. Okay, so now just go on to the GitHub repository.
Yes, sir.
Just copy that next line, git branch main. Git branch main means you will be targeting onto the main branch. Okay, just copy it and paste it over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is
And
the main branch that you are targeting to be given this particular code over there. Okay, so that is only the thing. Yeah, git branch. Okay, press enter.
yes, sir.
Again, go on to that repository. Yeah, next remote location. This is the location where that particular targeted code will be saved on. Okay, so just copy it, paste it over there. Yeah, just press
Okay.
enter.
Yes, sir.
Go there again. Yeah, copy that last line. Yeah, paste it over there. Press enter.
Yes, sir. Surely, yes.
Yeah, it will take time. Wait. If it is logged in, it will be pushed successfully. If it is not logged in, it will be asking you to logging in your account. So if it is asking, then I will be telling you like what exactly you need to do. Yeah, now it is asking. Go
Yes,
on
sir.
to that. Click on to that sign in with a code.
Okay, sir.
So now under that github.com login device that is there now, that link you need to copy and paste it over onto the browser where you are logged in your GitHub account. Yeah. So now continue it. Yeah, write that code that was there. Okay. Yeah, copy that code, whole code. That's it. Let's continue.
Sir,
Sir, I have
Down, authorize Git ecosystem. Authorize. Under that, green button.
okay.
Second
Yes,
set.
sir.
sir, I have already
Put
GitHub
your
account.
password over
Can I
there.
create?
They asked me password, sir.
Yeah, you can just
Pass.
click onto that password. Okay, it will be there. It will be asking your fingerprint or password. Yeah, fine. Confirm it.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Okay. So now I can go on to that code part, VS Code once.
Yes, sir.
See, now your code has already been sent. Okay. So go on to the GitHub repository once.
Yes, sir.
Reload it. Refresh it. Now you will be seeing that whatever that was there, it is over here as a first commit.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's how exactly in production the GitHub is being used. After
Okay.
this is the first step only. After this, you just need to use the git add and git push. Git add, git push, git add, git commit, and git push. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
If you are going off it. Now, what is the case? How you will be collaborating? Okay, that's the main case that you need to understand. Okay. Yeah, be there only. Be there only. There is no required. Yeah. Go up. Scroll up.
Yeah, here is answer.
Scroll up. Yeah. Go on to settings. Settings that is written over there in a bold letter. Insights and settings.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, yes, sir.
Go on to collaborators. Left side it is written. Yeah. So now here you need to invite certain people. Okay. Whoever is there in your team. Okay. In that case, while you are adding people, you need to give their username over here. Okay. Let's say, do anyone is having their account ready? Can share their screen also. Anyone?
Yes, sir. I am.
Who is it?
Yes.
All right. Write your GitHub username over in the chat.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Write your username in the chat. The chat is
Yes,
open.
one second.
Yeah, got it. So, Ganesh, please take that first one, Jayaram 1626, that is written.
Yeah.
Go to the Meet one, Meet page, Google
Yes.
Meet, Google Meet. Yeah, copy that message over there. That will be there. Yeah, first one,
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
first one. Jairam, can you share your screen also?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. Yeah, just add him. Just close this particular Meet window, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just click on it. Add. Okay. Now you can unshare. Okay. Ganesh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Jairam. Now please open your GitHub over in Chrome.
Yes, sir.
This is the demonstration of how you will be collaborating with your team. Okay. Yeah, refresh it once. Great. Go on to that notifications area. That blue button is there. No, that right side top. Yeah. Only do whatever I am saying. Okay. Don't
Yes,
do
sir.
extra. All right. So there you can see an invitation is there from Ganesh. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
what you need to do, you need to click on it. Just click on it simply anywhere. Yeah.
Accept.
Now you need to accept the invitation. Click on accept. Now, there is a thing. This particular thing that you are seeing, that is the Ganesh repository. So that is encrypted. In this particular repository, you can't share or update or anything. Means any modification, whatever the modification you want to do, you can't do it in it. Okay. So for doing any modification, you need to fork it. Okay. Forking means you are creating a copy of that particular repository onto your repository as an administrative access. Okay, so just click onto that fork button over there that is in the top. Button.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now there is no needed any changes is required. Just click onto that create fork. This will just create a copy of that repository which will be administrated by you. It will take some time. Done. So now this is the repository that you can contribute with. Here you can see two options are unlocked, that is contribute and the sync fork. Contribute means whenever you are giving out any of the codes over here from the system to the GitHub, in that case, you will be opening the pull request. Just click onto that contribute button. There you can see a pull request, no new commits is there. That's why it is not visible. If any commits is there, then there will be a button which will be visible as open pull request. In that case, you will be opening the pull request and Ganesh will be accepting that pull request so that it will be merged onto the main repository that is with Ganesh. Okay, so in this case, Ganesh is the team lead and Jairam is the member of that team. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what's the work of sync fork? Sync forks means whatever the contribution that Ganesh is doing over onto his repository, that will be updated over here. When you are clicking onto that sync fork, click on it. Yeah, here you will be finding a button like update, or you are lagging this two commits or three commits. You are behind two commits of Ganesh. That will be visible over here. Wherever you are clicking on it, it will be updated over in GitHub. After that, you can do git pull onto the repository that you are working on. It will be pulling all the changes that any of the person has done. Got it?
Yes.
So that's all. So now if you want to clone a repository onto your system, now let's say you have forked this particular repository. Now you will be contributing on it. Okay. So is your computer means have the Git ecosystem installed
Yes, sir.
and your Git bash is also installed?
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So just click onto that code button. That is code that is written green one. Yeah. Copy that particular link that is there, HTTPS link. Yeah, copy it.
Okay.
Yeah, just minimize this particular screen. Yeah, minimize it and go on to your home screen. Yeah. Now just click, right click and open Git bash from here. Right click, show more option. Open Git bash. Open Git bash. Yeah, great. So now you need to write git space clone don't write wrong things. Yeah, space, right click, paste. That's it. Press enter. It will be cloning that particular repository and it will be connected with the Git also. Okay, so now here the remote repository not found. So in this case, all right. So just go on to the start menu for that start menu and write credentials. Start button. Windows start button. Yeah, write credentials. Yeah, just click onto that credential manager. Go on to Windows credential. Go on to that GitHub one. GitHub that is written. Yeah, not that. Yeah, remove it. Great. Yeah, just close it.
Minimize or
Close, close, close. Yeah, close it also. Again, go on to that repository. Go on to that repository once. Yeah, go to your profile photo. Click onto that your profile photo. Profile. Yeah, click on your repositories. Don't do these all things. Yeah, all right. Go on to that Java file that is written. Yeah, press on code and copy that link. Press on to that code that is written over there. Code that you have done right now. Code button. Yeah, copy it and do the same that I have told you. Go on to your home page. Right click. Show more option. Git bash. Git clone and paste that thing. Right click and paste. No. You have done that control V, I think so.
yeah.
Just close it again. Use right click and paste in Git bash. Yeah. Press enter. Yeah. Login is there. Under that, you can see that is blinking.
Yeah, yes.
Click on it. That is blinking over there in down. Git, yeah. Sign in with a code. Sign in with a code. Go to that link. Sign in. Continue. In this account only that particular thing is there, no? That repository that was shared.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah. Give the code. Continue. Authorize. Great. Close it. Close it. Close it means close. Okay. That's there. Okay. Minimize it. Yeah. Now you can see you have successfully cloned this particular repository from the GitHub.
Yes.
Getting it? Everyone got it? Minimize it or close it. This git bash. Find that folder. Where is it? Not here. You just need to find it in the here only. Where is that folder? Yeah,
Full.
Java full that is there. Over here only.
Java.
Over Java full that is there on the second line. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Open it with VS Code. Open it with VS Code. Do you have that?
VS
Go
Code.
to show more option. Right click, show more option. VS Code is not there. Okay, just open your VS
Or
Code.
else I will use this.
Yeah, go on to the VS Code and open that folder. Just drag and drop that folder over on the VS Code. It will be opened. Yeah, save it. Don't whatever you want. Yeah. So now click onto that VCS button, that version control system button. Yeah.
This one, sir.
Here you can see. Just click on it. Here you can see it is completely there, and whatever you are changing, just go on to the folder structure once. Yeah. The folder structure, that one. Yeah, yeah. This is the folder structure. Okay. So these are basics you need to understand, because if I am going up with the ID basics and these all things, it will take too much time to make you understand. Okay. So here add one more file. Anything. Index.css. Dot. It's comma. Yeah. Press enter. Okay. That's it. Go on to that VCS once. VCS. Yeah. Here you can see it had already tracked the changes, like, yeah, this sort of changes is received. Now, how you will be giving out to your repository? Open a terminal. Terminal. Increase its size. Yeah. Write git add and dot. Git space add space dot. Enter. Add it to the staged area. Now git space commit commit space -m space double inverted comma right, second change. Means here you will be writing whatever you have changed. So you have changed you have included the index.css. So you can write added index.css. Write it. Close the double inverted comma. That's all. Yeah. You press enter. Got it? It's gone. And now git. Wait. Yeah. So after git add, git commit, you just need to do git push. That's all. Git space push. Push. Press enter. Gone. Now go on to your GitHub repository once. Refresh it. Now you can see index.css has been given to you. Now you need to contribute it so that the owner of this particular repository, that is the person who has hosted it, that is Ganesh. Okay, he will be getting it. Okay, so now click onto that contribute button. See here, you have got an option of opening pull request. You can open a pull request over from here. Just click on it. Yeah, here you need to describe, if you want to describe the changes, like, yeah, exactly what extra you have done in this, you can write it over here. Else you can just go down, scroll down, create pull request. It will take some time and the pull request will be created, and it will be merged automatically. And now if you are pressing out to the merge pull request, it will be merged onto the owner's repository. Got it? Owner's repository will be Ganesh repository.
Yes.
Click on it. confirm merge. That's it. So that's how you will be creating a repository, contributing with collaborating with your team, and contributing, and how you'll be pushing out your code, and how
So
it will
what
be merged
is
onto the main
what
repository.
exactly commit means?
Yeah.
Commit,
What?
commit means what? So commit,
Commit means comment.
commit. Okay.
Yeah. All right, fine. I hope so. And rest all means that codes and the that commands and everything that will be sharing it out on your WhatsApp, or the means the manager will be sharing out after we end this session. Okay. I hope so. You all have understood these all things, and this is the only thing that you need to understand. After that, this will the thing that you will be iterating it. Iterating means you'll be doing it means on every part. Okay, this is the only thing: git push, git add, and git push, and git pull. Git pull means this Jairam has sent one thing to Ganesh. Now Ganesh will be doing what? Going to that repository, and means going to means his folder over in VS Code, opening the terminal. He will just write git pull. So it will do what? Whatever the changes that is merged over onto the GitHub, it will be over onto his local machine directly. Okay, getting it? That's all.
So,
Okay, so yeah, you can unshare. This was all about the GitHub and the basics, as well as the practicals on what exactly you need to do. And I hope so you all have understood. And see, if you are not understanding, you need to do it practically. Okay, so many people do understanding by seeing, and many people do understand by doing. Okay, so do not fear if you get any error, or if you get any means any type of means any difficulty in doing it. You all are free to ask. Okay, so please use the system, and please use this particular thing and get comfortable with this VCS. Okay, that's the Git and GitHub. That's all from my side, and thank you everyone for joining this session. And I hope so
Sir,
you have already understood this. Yeah.
sir, hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, you have used VS Code now. So can you please do
Your
this
voice
by
is not
using
audible.
Eclipse?
Yeah, that is completely up to you. If you want to use Eclipse, VS Code, anything, whatever the thing that you want to use, you can use it. There is no restriction or anything. Whatever you are
I
free with,
mean,
you can use it.
it's the same process. I mean, same
Same,
steps.
same. Everything is
No,
same over in this whole world when you are using the Git. This is the same process. This is the production process that everyone do follow this thing only.
just opening terminal and
Yeah, by the terminal only. Do not use Git GUI or Git means that UI things. Okay, so because if you are using that UI thing, it will you will be feeling easy, but practically it is not a thing that you will be having. You need to means you will be using it on production. Okay, on production the terminal is the only thing, because you might be working on a Ubuntu system, you might be working on a Mac system, you might be working on the server system. Okay, in that case the terminal is the only thing that will be there. Okay, so if you are learning, learn it clearly. Okay, so don't fear of these all things, just go on with it. Okay, rest all is fine. Whatever the doubt will be there, we'll be solving it. Okay, other than that, you all have a superpower named as Google, or another superhero that is there with you all, that is the AI tools like the Chat GPT and the Gemini are there. You can ask your doubt as much as you can over to them. Okay, they will be responding on to these all things. Okay, they're very clear on this particular topic, so you can use this thing for getting an instant response and instant means resolution of your problem. Okay, so using this thing is very good, because nowadays people are using these all things, and it is required to be used, the AI tools over on the production, over onto the means the mainframe area, because without it your work will be very slow. Okay, and if you are slow, then you are not a profitable employee, or a profitable developer for a company. Okay, getting it? No, so you need to be fast. So that's why learn these all things, and also learn how to Google it. Okay, and also learn how to use the AI tools for easing your work. Okay, so that's all from my side. I'll not take much of your time. It's already 9:40. Okay, and thank you so much for being there in this session and understanding this GitHub. And this is very important. I am telling you again, whenever there is a review, if you are there saying like, yeah, I haven't initiated GitHub in my project or anything, your project will directly be discarded by the means by the means that who is validating your project over there. Okay, so mind this thing, and yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.